Well, good morning once again. This is Francis with the Texas Roadrunner channel. And remember this t-shirt here? This is what Birthday Claus gave to me during Stephanie's road trip vacation birthday trip. So anyway, you see, we had a lot of good times with that gas grill out there. You know, we've you know, as a family, we've cooked out steaks, burgers, hot dogs, chicken, whatever. But most of what you guys have seen is me blowing up those subscription fishing tackle boxes. And that's a lot of fun too. But unfortunately, it's just dying on me. It's rusty, it's old. I bought that right out of nursing school back in 2010, so it's lasted me a little over 8 years, and it's time to buy a new one. I'll show you what I mean. Of course, this is the spot where I've been blowing up all those boxes, but as you can see, the Charbroil logo has fallen off, and only one hinge works. Let's open her up. As you can see, the actual grilling part is falling apart. It's all rusted. As you can see down here, only on this side the jets work. Over here the jets do not work. This rack that you see here used to go up here, and of course it's rusted off. And of course the little switch that ignites the natural gas, that doesn't work. Actually, I think it's propane. And let's see, of course you can see it's all pretty much rusted here, falling apart. It's time to put a bullet in its radiator. Actually, tomorrow's big garbage pickup, so I'm going to set it up front and let the garbage people take care of it. And after that, I'm going shopping. Probably at Lowe's. See you then. Well, I certainly hope the garbage people tomorrow pick this up. Who knows? Maybe someone driving by might pick it up and want to repair it themselves. That's going to be a lot of repair work. Hopefully the garbage people pick it up. Okay, here's my plan. I bought that first unit that you saw outside back in I think 2010 for like $98, and I don't really want to pay a high price. I mean, it lasted me a good 8 years, and this Texas humid coastal weather, right? So I'll probably spend about the same amount. I was at Lowe's the other day, and they had some units just like mine for like $99, and so I'm thinking I'll just go ahead and spend 99 bucks and get the same thing. And if it lasts me another 8 years, I'll be a happy camper. So join me on our little ride to Lowe's. Well, we made it to Lowe's, and they had all kinds of gas grills outside the store, as you can see. But they also had a whole bunch more inside, and these were the high-end grills. That was way out of my price range. Now here's the old one that I used to have. It only had 2 burners, but found one pretty much close to it, but it had 3 burners. It was a little bit wider. And there you can see the inside with the 3 burners. So we crammed it into the truck. Well, we got the new gas grill in place. It did not have a little basket to store your little tools in, so I took it off the old one, drilled 2 holes into the panel and placed it on there. And as you can see, we have a 3 burner grill now, and you can see 1, 2, 3. And we tested it up, we hooked up the tank, and she fires. So hopefully we'll have burgers tonight. Hopefully if I keep this one covered up more, it'll last longer. So while the burgers were grilling, we set up the table, made some iced tea, then we heated up the ranch style beans. Boy, those burgers were good. Our bellies were happy. Well, I hope you enjoy the hamburgers as much as we did. We certainly did. So you guys be safe out there and take care. I'm Francis Kiefel, and I approved this video.